Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, the channel where we explore the latest gadgets and tech innovations. Today, we have something incredibly compact and convenient to show you, the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. If you're always on the go or looking for a versatile typing solution, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Meet the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard, the ultimate portable typing companion. It's designed for those who need to stay productive while traveling, and it's a game changer for your work on the move. This keyboard is incredibly compact and lightweight, weighing just 5.53 ounces. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or backpack, making it an ideal travel companion. You'll never have to compromise on typing comfort again. Connecting to your devices is a breeze. Simply press the connect button, and it quickly pairs with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. The automatic on, off and reconnection feature adds to the convenience. The Samsers keyboard sports an elegant and wear-resistant poo leather finish, making it a stylish addition to your tech arsenal. Plus, the built-in lithium battery can power it for 40 hours of continuous use or an impressive 180 days on standby. That's perfect for your short business trips or vacations. This keyboard plays well with others. It seamlessly works with iOS, Android, and Windows devices. You'll enjoy a stable connection and fast response within a 10-meter range. It's compatible with a variety of devices, from iPads and iPhones to Galaxy Tabs and Kindles. The Samsers keyboard features a unique scissor switch design and quiet keys. It's all about delivering a comfortable and efficient typing experience, whether you're writing emails or working on documents. But that's not all. With the included free stand holder, you can find the perfect viewing angle for your device. This makes it even more convenient and efficient for on-the-go work. Thanks to its sensitive magnetic induction, the keyboard automatically wakes up and sleeps to save energy. A full charge takes only 2 to 3 hours, ensuring you're always ready to work. So, there you have it. The Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard, a pocket-sized typing powerhouse that's perfect for travelers, writers, and anyone who needs a reliable and portable keyboard solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews from UK Pro Reviewer. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, stay connected and keep exploring the world of tech.